9A and my absent number is 9. Today I will tell you the legendary story entitled Golden Snail. A long time ago there lived a king of the kingdom named Kertamata. He had two daughters named Dewi Kaluh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a very beautiful and kind girl, but his sister was an evil. One day Chandrakirana was engaged to a priest of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inukertaparti, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Kaluh invite to his sister. Then she went to a witch to harm Chandrakirana. The witch agreed to do what Dewi Kaluh asked. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. She transformed her into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Kaluh threw her, which has become a snail in the river. One day, an old woman was looking for fish in the river using nets. When she was about to leave the net, she saw a golden snail transport. Then she brought the golden snail, went home and put it in a jar. The next day, she returned to the river to look for fishes, but unfortunately, she didn't get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This incident occurred over and over in the next days. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out who did it to her by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. Then she saw a snail turn into a beautiful woman and cook meals for her. Soon, the old woman came into her house. "Who are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a princess of Daha, were cursed by a witch into a golden snail," her said. After telling what had happened to her, she was invited Chandrakirana to stay with her. The news of Chandrakirana's loss made Prince Inukertapati confused and sad. He searched for her all over the kingdom by disguising as a villager. The witch knew what was done by him. She was disguised as a raven to disrupt the prince's effort to meet Chandrakirana. On his own way, Prince Inukertapati was helped by an old man who was great. He hit the bird with his stick until it died. Prince Inu thanked to him. He also told the intent and purpose of his journey. After knowing what had happened, the old man told Prince Inu to search her in Dadapan village. Afterwards, the prince traveled to the Dadapan village right away. After walking for days, the prince arrived in the Dadapan village. He was very thirsty at the time. Then he saw a small hut and approached it. Suddenly, he was shocked because he saw his fiancée was cooking through the window. He immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and the magic was lost. Then the princess told what had happened to her, and she also introduced the old woman who had helped her to the prince. The prince was very grateful to the old woman. Then he brought Chandrakirana and the old woman to the palace. After arriving at the palace, the king was very happy because her daughter had returned. He also knew what had happened to his daughter. Knowing his sister had been found, Chandrakaluh ran away from the palace because she was afraid of being punished by his father. Finally, Chandrakirana and Raden Inukertapati were married and they lived happily ever after.